Hello everyone. This is a special episode of Thinking Out of the Box. It's December 16, 2021. And what you are seeing right now is a new journal for 2022. Yes, you are hearing background noises. I'm not in my studio at the moment. You might just have seen a transition to this part of the video. As much as possible, I will do a very minimal editing. I will partially show to you some parts of this new journal. I have opened the journal lightly on its center. I haven't really removed it just yet from its plastic packaging. As you can see now, I have removed it from the plastic packaging. Perhaps you are quite confused. Why am I speaking slowly in the first part of this vlog? I'm just trying to calibrate how will I say things because I have no script. But now, let me speak normally, or at least close to how I normally speak. This is the first part of the journal. So let me just show to you this, I think, magnetic bookmarker. It's still in its plastic packaging. Please allow me to remove it from the packaging. As I have anticipated, this is a magnetic bookmarker. So on one side, a picture of 6 planets. On the other side, there's a text and a which shape is that? But anyway, the text reads, "The universe is in me." Wow, that's cool. And yes, pardon for the background. Again, I'm not in my studio at the moment. Now, let's explore the journal. I cannot promise to turn page by page, but at least I will do my best to show to you key sections of this journal. Now, let's try to explore the journal page by page as best as we could. And yes, as you can read, I procure this from Viviamo Incorporated. This video is not a sponsored one. My vision. How will you create change in 2022? Maximize the Focus Journal. Presented through eye-catching and thought-provoking typography, each month's focus word provides you with suggested activities that will help you reflect on the aspects of your life that you are grateful for. It started with December 2021. Focus for the year. Based on your vision, what do you want to change this year? Let's skip a few pages. So this is how it looks. We are now on the February pages. Let's go back to the beginning of March. This is the beginning of March. Awaken. I have skipped the word for January and February. I skipped April and May. June has elevate as its word of the month. I'll show to you still shots of the different words from each month. After each month, there's a checkup. For September, reinforce is the word. At the end of 2022, this journal would like you to document what have you learned. In my case, since this is mine, it asks me, what have I learned this year? 2022, that is. On the latter part of the journal, there are almost empty pages for the notes. On the back side of the journal, there is a pocket. And there you have it. This is thinking out of the box.